is up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Porsche GT4, you may have seen our videos on the GT4 RS where we made it sound like this. And we think that's a reasonably spectacular sound characteristics, but that car is very rare and very limited. Behind me, Porsche GT4, the 718 generation, this exhaust fits both this car and the Boxster Spyder as well. The Boxster Spyder has a very special place in my heart. I just think it's such a fantastic car, as is this. Come take a look and see what we've got rocking underneath here. Right now, this is gonna be part one of the video. So you guys will see three parts. It's gonna be the rear section for part one. Then we're gonna put some over axle pipes on, that's part two. Then we're gonna put some headers on, it's gonna be part three. So this thing is gonna be super rowdy, excited for you guys to enjoy. But in the rear section here, it bolts up to your factory over axles with the 2-outlet configuration. Bottom is where we have our pneumatic actuated exhaust valves, and you can plug this into your Porsche Sports exhaust, just operate it like factory. Large cross-section X-pipe, and then directly out for the nice RSR high-pitch experience. And then we have our muffler casing on top of the X for when the valves are closed to give you that nice docile sound that we all like when we're taking a phone call or we have a girl in the car and want to talk to them and not be super obnoxious. That's the configuration. Beautiful 4-inch titanium single wall tips as well. This thing sounds fantastic. It's not that loud with just the rear section, but the sound quality is heavily improved. In the video, we're going to show you startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're going to do launch control, going to do interior clips, and of course, you're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you know exactly how good your 718 GT4 or Boxster Spyder is going to sound with the best exhaust. Ah, I'm so excited. Let's go. we're inside the GT4. Now, traditionally, these cars really have not sounded good. They're very, very, very flat sounding. But this configuration, driving around right now with the valves closed, it's just as quiet as the stock exhaust would be. You get the intake blare that these cars are known for. But we're letting the car warm up still, so we're gonna keep the RPMs low. But this is the thing. This exhaust configuration has been designed and engineered to change the pitch and the quality of sound out of the GT4s, out of this engine. We all know that like the GT4 RS and the GT3 RS can sound incredible with aftermarket exhaust, but the GT4s, people do over axles to make them louder, but you don't get a more high-pitched exotic sound. So what we're gonna show you is how good our titanium rear section sounds with no other modifications. This GT4 is bone stock. There's no mods, no valve controller, nothing. It's just using the OEM exhaust control module here, and it sounds a hell of a lot better. Listen. Hear how you get like almost GT3 level sounds? Listen to how smooth this is. Exotic, which is always the best experience. It sounds like a GT3 now. So much more exotic and interesting than it was before. As you can see here, viewers, the auto blip off. We're using our hand